Here's your pizza. Enjoy. What? Wait a minute. This is only part of the product. Hey! I only got part of the product. Part of the product. Part. Hi everyone, Mr. Peter here, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how you can solve multiplication problems using partial products and the area model. Partial products is a strategy that involves breaking up the factors of a multiplication problem into simpler numbers, and then using the distributive property to find separate products that can be added together to find a final solution. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, now that I'm done saying some big words to make your teacher happy, I'm going to make it a little bit simpler. Let's say I asked you to multiply 43 times 32. If you aren't already an expert with something like the standard algorithm, you might be tempted to go grab a calculator or even give up entirely. But before you give up, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Do you think you could solve a problem like 40 times 30?
Yeah.
Could you find 3 times 30?
Uh-huh.
How about 40 times 2?
Sure.
Could you find 3 times 2?
Of course.
Are you confident with addition?
Yeah.
If you answered yes to these questions, then you're ready to start using partial products. The best way to use partial products is to start by drawing something called the area model. Think of multiplying as calculating area, with each factor representing a separate dimension. Our answer, the product, will be the area of this rectangle. Now, our next step is to break up each product into easier numbers. Most of the time, you will do this by separating place value. So in this instance, I would break up the first factor into 40 and 3. I would then split my box into two boxes, one where the length of the side is 40 and another where the length of the side is 3. Now for my second factor, 32. I can break it up into 30 and 2. Again, I'll draw a line to show where I am breaking up the width into 30 and 2. You'll see now that I have 4 smaller rectangles. I just have to find the area of each one individually and add them up. So we changed our original problem, 43 times 32, into 40 times 30, plus 3 times 30, plus 40 times 2, plus 3 times 2. 40 times 30 is 1200, 3 times 30 is 90, 40 times 2 is 80, and 3 times 2 is 6. If we add them up, we get our answer. I strongly recommend drawing the area model as you're solving problems because many of the students who decide to skip this step end up accidentally leaving out a factor. So those are the basics of solving multiplication problems using partial products. I'm also going to share a couple of advanced tips for using partial products. I'm just going to show them quickly for now in case you want to take on an extra challenge. You could pause the screen and practice them if you like. Otherwise, don't worry about them. And to review, when using partial products, draw an area model, break up each dimension into easier numbers, find the individual products, and add them up. I hope you found that helpful. Have a great day and good luck.